In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable noise cancellation on Zoom, whether you're working from home, attending classes, or preparing for an important meeting. Ensuring that your audio is clear can make a world of difference. This can be especially important if you find yourself in a noisy environment where background sounds might interfere with your conversation. So, let's find out how you can easily set up noise cancellation and make your speaking experience on Zoom seamless. First, you'll want to log into your Zoom account on your computer. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This icon often looks like your profile picture or your initials if you haven't set a picture. Click on this profile icon and it will open a drop-down menu with several options for managing your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, find and click on the Settings option. This is where you can tailor various aspects of Zoom to better suit your needs. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll notice a range of categories on the left side of the window. For this task, we're focusing on audio. So, go ahead and click on the Audio tab. Within the audio settings, you'll be presented with multiple options that control different aspects of your sound experience on Zoom. Look for the section labeled Microphone. Here you can adjust the input volume and test your microphone, but for noise cancellation purposes, you'll want to find the subsection for Microphone mode. This is where you can really enhance your audio quality. In the microphone mode section, you'll see an option for noise removal. Typically, this is indicated by a circle, which might be labeled as noise suppression or noise cancellation, depending on your Zoom version. Simply click on this circle to enable noise cancellation and watch as your audio becomes much cleaner and free of unwanted background noise. By selecting this option, you're ensuring that any distractions around you are minimized, allowing for a more professional and comfortable conversation. This feature is particularly useful during meetings, presentations, or classes, where maintaining focus, and clarity is crucial. Remember, this setting might not completely eliminate every background sound, but it certainly helps to reduce the overall impact, making your speech clearer. So, whenever you're expecting a call or a meeting from a potentially noisy place, just make sure this setting is activated beforehand. There you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've enabled noise cancellation